Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here and for phonics for this week. So boys and girls, do you remember what CVC words are? So CVC words are a three-letter word with two consonants. So at the beginning of the word there's a consonant letter and another consonant letter at the end of the word, and it has one short vowel. And remember our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And so like this word, mat is a CVC word. The letter M is a consonant letter, A is our vowel letter, and T is another consonant letter. Okay, boys and girls, so this week we're doing some reviewing. So these are some CVC words. We have bat, mad, fan, hat, sad, map, rat, and van for our letter A CVC words. Our letter E CVC words can be tin, min, red, hen, web, wet, jet, net, and bed. And our letter I CVC words are pig, lip, pin, dip, fig, zip, fin, and win. Okay, today, boys and girls, we are going to read the story called The Big Cat. And in The Big Cat, while we read, I want you to be like a detective. And if you know what a detective is, it's a job where a person looks for clues. And so in our story, The Big Cat, you are going to be the detective looking for CVC words. Okay, boys and girls, can you do that? Are you ready? Here's your book. It's so important, boys and girls, that you're looking for your CVC words because that's what you're going to do for your assignment today for phonics. Okay, here's your story. Big cat. Big cat can nap. Big cat can wake. Big cat can hug. Big cat can fly. Big cat can hide. Big cat can dance. Big cat can be fun. Big cat can sit. Big cat can see. Big cat can run. Big cat can be fun. The end. Okay, boys and girls, let me go back to the beginning of our story. So, detectives, did you see any CVC words in our story, big cat? I'm going to go ahead and tell you two CVC words that I noticed. The word big is a CVC word. Big is B is a consonant letter, I is a vowel, and G is another consonant letter. Another CVC word is the word cat. C is a consonant letter, A is our vowel, and T is another consonant letter. Boys and girls, for your assignment today, I want you to write two CVC words in our story. You can go back and read our story to find those CVC words. I know you can do it because you are so smart. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have a great day.